Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the WeddingHappy app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. WeddingHappy is a wedding planning app designed to help couples organize their big day with ease. It offers a customizable wedding checklist, budget tracking, payment reminders, vendor management, and guest list organization. The app automatically creates a timeline based on your wedding date, assigning tasks and deadlines to keep you on track. It also allows you to share plans with your partner or planner for collaborative organization. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate WeddingHappy's simple interface, automated task scheduling, and built-in reminders, which reduce the stress of managing so many details. The budget tool and payment tracker help couples stay within financial limits, while vendor contact storage ensures all key information is in one place. Its collaborative feature is especially useful for keeping everyone involved on the same page. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users feel the customization is limited, as the checklist may not cover all unique wedding traditions or cultural needs. The free version includes ads and lacks some advanced features like exportable reports, and the premium upgrade may be an extra expense for couples already on a tight budget. Additionally, it doesn't offer in-app communication with vendors, which some planners might expect. In summary, the WeddingHappy app may be worth using if you want an organized, easy-to-follow wedding planning tool with task reminders and budget tracking. However, if you need a fully customizable checklist, integrated vendor communication, or advanced planning tools without paying extra, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.